Hi there, I'm Dr. Greg Barnes, and I'm the clinic owner of Greenway Health Center. And on behalf of my partner, Dr. Vivian Fedorovich, and I wanted to take the time to thank you for making an appointment in our office. So one of the things I know is that when you're going to a new doctor's office, a lot of times there can be some uncertainty about what that appointment's going to look like. So I wanted to walk you through that. So one of the biggest things you're going to notice when you first walk in, that my team is super excited to meet you. We're going to be really prepared and organized and ready to get you in the back right away so we can start discussing and addressing your health concerns. Our main objective on your first appointment is to really help you get down to the cause of where your health problems and your health concerns are coming from. We're not like other traditional doctors and just looking for ways to cover up symptoms or just really treat those symptoms. We really want to help you figure out why you're having the health concerns and the health problems that you are. So to do that, we'll start with a very thorough history, a very thorough consultation, examination, and then we'll also take x-rays to get down to exactly why your body is having the challenges that it is. So after you leave, Dr. Vivian and I will get together and we'll compile, we'll analyze, and really just figure out what is going to be the best path forward for you for your care. So at your next appointment, then we'll begin your corrective care process and start your adjustments. So we're really excited to meet you in our office, and we look forward to helping you out, and we'll see you really soon.